Let's add our section in the menu My App, Content section. Click on Add a section. Select Calendar. I name my section and add it. Now let's edit the content. I click on Create an event and give a title to my event. I choose the start date and time and the end date and time. I can also indicate is my event last all day. I add a location if needed. The element I need to describe my event. On the right side, I select the section or sections where I want to display my event. I can insert action buttons, URL to external sites, and enable comments. Now let's go to the SEO tab to edit my metadata. All I have to do now is publish. Let's move on to the design. I go to the design editing page of my calendar section and start with the list view. Let's start with the color of the background and borders, the display of thumbnail, info, and summary, then the display of the date. Here you have several options. Starting time. This will display the specific start time of the event if it's not an all-day event. If the event is a full-day event, it'll display the 24 icon indicating that the event is a full-day event. Start date, used for events that are spread over several days or just one day. It will display the start date of the event even if you are on a second day. Today's date, used for events that are spread over several days or just one day. It will display the current date of the event. Mention now will display now instead of the date if the date is today's date. Future date will always be displayed with the date. Then the color and fonts of the text, the color of the date, the display of the map if you have entered addresses, and finally the thumbnail. We'll quickly do the same for the event details view. And voila, my section is fully designed. Last tip, don't forget to set your time zone from the My Account menu because the time of your events will be based on it. You now know how to create an agenda in your app. See you soon for another tutorial.